Coda Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Coda are in the description below. In this video, I'll review Coda, a powerful business automation tool that combines documents, spreadsheets, and workflow automation into a single platform. Designed for teams, project managers, and businesses looking to streamline operations, Coda eliminates the need for multiple disconnected apps by bringing everything into one dynamic workspace. Coda is more than just a document editor. It's an interactive workspace where users can create structured documents with embedded databases, real-time collaboration, and automation. The core feature of Coda is its building blocks approach, allowing users to create powerful workflows using tables, buttons, and formulas, similar to a combination of Notion, Google Sheets, and Airtable. Unlike static spreadsheets, Coda's tables function like databases, enabling users to link data, apply filters, and automate repetitive tasks. One of its standout features is Coda Packs, which allows seamless integration with tools like Slack, Google Calendar, Jira, Salesforce, and Zapier. This enables users to sync data across platforms and automate updates, ensuring that all business operations stay aligned. Coda's automation feature lets users set triggers and actions, such as sending notifications, updating records, or generating reports, reducing manual work and improving efficiency. Coda is designed for collaborative teams with real-time editing, commenting, and customizable access controls. Teams can create dashboards, project trackers, or even company wikis, all within a single Coda doc. The platform also supports dynamic templates, making it easy to standardize processes across an organization. Security and data control are also strong, with enterprise-grade security, SOC 2 compliance, and admin controls for managing permissions and data access. For businesses looking for a flexible, all-in-one platform to replace multiple scattered tools, Coda is a great choice. In conclusion, Coda is a powerful alternative to traditional spreadsheets and document editors, offering advanced automation, database functionality, and seamless integrations. It's perfect for businesses seeking a single, customizable platform for workflows, data management, and team collaboration. If you want to try Coda for your business, check out the links in the description below.